环球美国快乐至上，欢迎收看完美主义，我是肖莹。今天我们来到的 Pasadena Civic Auditorium 呢，它是一栋极具表现力的建筑。它所表现的美，不仅在于它的建筑风格，而更在于它见证了无数美丽的表演以及感动的瞬间。I know the Civic Auditorium has a rich history. When did it originally start?
In the 1920s was when it was designed. They wanted to have live radio broadcasts here, which they did. And then as time went on, they took advantage of the wonderful acoustics here with live television shows and Broadway shows and symphonies and orchestras and singers. Michael Jackson performed at a show. It was mentioned earlier, the Motown 25th anniversary show. Moonwalk across the stage for the first time in public.
Why do you think you can attract so many great shows to be here?
Because it's Pasadena. We're the cultural art oasis of Pasadena. Restaurants across the street in an old Pasadena 3 blocks away. You can walk anytime at 3 in the morning and feel safe.
I know there used to be some Chinese performance being on the stage as well, right?
Absolutely. Mr. Guo was here about 6 months ago, and it was a sold-out performance. It was very funny. The crowd loved it. We'd love to have him back.
The interior is absolutely beautiful. The initial intent was to be inspired by the Italian Renaissance. So what you see here epitomizes a lot of the Italian Renaissance being pushed through. One of our favorite details that we love, that we speak about a lot, are the walls. It was back in the glory day areas, when we talk about the Great Gatsby, we're pulling in artists to come to the actual venue itself and create it from the ground up. There is a lot of love, there's a lot of heart, there's a lot of history that we talk about in this place. And throughout those many decades, here in Pasadena, and especially for the Pasadena Civic Auditorium, we've worked tirelessly to make sure that the people that we bring in keep the essence and the glory and the grandeur of the Pasadena Civic Auditorium. So basically, this is just like it was in the 1930s. You still get that same feel, you still get that same excitement when you walk in here, and it totally takes you back to a different time and place. As you can see, if you just look out right now, we're standing in a stage and just looking at 3,000 seats available. And if you notice, no pillars. Every seat is an unobstructed view. This is the perfect marriage of technology but rich history. That's something that you cannot buy. This is something that's so special for our generation especially, to look out and see where the past came from, how we can learn from the past, and how that can influence our future, which I think is absolutely phenomenal.
This photo is amazing. Look at the hats. It was from the 1930s, and you can see the outfits and the way they're sitting, and the carpet and the chairs, obviously before it was renovated. American Idol has used this as their when they say, we're going to Hollywood, they're coming to Pasadena. We're in Los Angeles County. It's a very diverse collection of people and art and science, and it's just great. They chose it because they love the history of the building, and they wanted to talk about old history with the new technology. We create memories here.
相信每一个到过这里的人呢，都可以感受到舞台上那种极具张力的表现力所带来的美与感动。好了，我们这期节目就是这样，我们下期再见。